Disease does not begin overnight. It begins when the body becomes acidic and congested. Many people look for healing in substances without understanding balance. Castor oil and baking soda are powerful, but power without knowledge becomes danger. Healing is not force. Healing is understanding the body's natural design and respecting it.
Most people don't realize this, but an acidic body can slowly turn into a home for disease. Joint pain, fatigue, constipation, skin problems, even serious chronic illness. And what if I told you that two very simple things sitting in your kitchen, castor oil and baking soda, are being talked about as a powerful combination for internal cleansing? But here's the danger. Use it the wrong way and it can harm your body instead of helping it. Dr. Sebi himself warned that misusing alkaline remedies can backfire. In this video, I'll explain why people are combining castor oil with baking soda, what it is meant to do inside the body, and why most people are making serious mistakes. I'll also reveal who should never try this and how to approach it safely. Stay till the end. This could change how you look at healing forever. Castor oil and baking soda are the two remedies people talk about in this method. Castor oil is a thick, pale oil extracted from castor beans. It contains ricinoleic acid, which is traditionally believed to support lymphatic movement and bowel activity. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline compound commonly used to neutralize acidity. In Dr. Sebi style naturopathic thinking, excess acidity in the body creates an environment where disease can grow. This is why some people combine castor oil with baking soda. The idea is simple. Castor oil helps move waste. Baking soda helps reduce acidity. Together, they are believed to support internal cleansing when used carefully and occasionally. According to natural health teachings, many modern health problems begin in the gut. Slow digestion, constipation, toxic buildup, poor elimination. When waste stays too long in the body, it can affect joints, skin, liver, and even energy levels. Castor oil has long been used in traditional systems for bowel support and detox rituals. Baking soda has been used to calm excess stomach acid and restore alkaline balance. Dr. Sebi repeatedly emphasized that the body heals best when it is clean and alkaline, not overloaded with mucus and acids. People who use this combination often say they are trying to support colon movement, reduce inflammation, and improve elimination. Some also use castor oil externally as packs on the abdomen to support lymph flow. Internal use is discussed carefully because it is stronger and not meant for daily use. This is not a vitamin. It is not food. It is a cleansing method that should be respected. Dr. Sebi warned that even natural substances can cause harm if abused or used without understanding. This combination is not meant to treat diseases directly. It is meant to change the internal environment of the body. When the environment improves, the body may function better on its own. People often report easier bowel movements, reduced bloating, and a feeling of lightness. Some notice changes in skin clarity or swelling. These effects vary from person to person. Results depend on diet, hydration, and overall lifestyle. It is very important to understand what this method is not. It is not a daily habit. It is not a cure-all. It is not safe for everyone. It should never replace medical care or prescribed treatment. Dr. Sebi's teachings always focused on education and responsibility. He believed healing begins with knowledge and discipline, not shortcuts. To use this method wisely, you must first understand where people go wrong, why some experience side effects, and why timing and moderation matter. That understanding is what protects the body instead of stressing it. The biggest problems begin when people ignore warnings and copy random advice from the internet. Castor oil is powerful. Baking soda is alkaline. When misused, this combination can irritate the gut, disturb mineral balance, and strain the kidneys. Dr. Sebi often warned that too much alkalinity can be just as harmful as too much acidity. Balance is everything. Many people make the mistake of using this method too frequently. Daily use is one of the most common errors. The body needs time to recover. Forcing cleansing again and again can weaken digestion instead of improving it. Another mistake is using it on a completely empty stomach without preparation. This can cause nausea, cramps, dizziness, or sudden diarrhea. Some people panic when this happens, but it is usually the body reacting too strongly. Others mix incorrect amounts or combine it with acidic foods, coffee, sugar, or processed meals. This creates internal conflict instead of balance. Timing matters. Hydration matters. Diet matters. Ignoring these factors leads to bad experiences that could have been avoided. Certain people should not use this method at all. Anyone with kidney disease should stay away. Baking soda affects sodium levels, which can be dangerous for weak kidneys. Pregnant women should never try this. Castor oil has traditionally been known to stimulate movement in the body, which is not safe during pregnancy. People with chronic diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, or severe gut sensitivity should also avoid internal use. Their digestive lining is already irritated. Adding a strong cleansing agent can make symptoms worse. Some people feel worse before they feel better, and this creates confusion. Headaches, fatigue, mild cramps, temporary bloating. These can happen when the body starts eliminating waste. But there is a difference between mild detox reactions and warning signs. Severe pain is not normal. Persistent vomiting is not normal. Extreme weakness is not normal. If these appear, the body is saying stop. Natural does not mean harmless. Dr. Sebi repeatedly stressed listening to the body instead of forcing it. Another major misunderstanding is expecting this method to cure serious diseases. That belief creates disappointment and risk. This approach is about supporting the body's environment, not attacking illness directly. Disease develops over years. Healing also takes time. Some people abandon healthy eating and rely only on this method. That is a dangerous shortcut. Without clean food, hydration, and rest, no cleansing method will work properly. External use is often safer for sensitive people. Castor oil packs on the abdomen are commonly used to support lymph movement without stressing digestion. Many people ignore this option and jump straight to internal use. That impatience causes problems. Slow and gentle always works better than aggressive cleansing. Dr. Sebi emphasized discipline and simplicity, not extremes. The most important rule is moderation. More is not better. Stronger is not better. The body heals best when it is supported, not shocked. Understanding these mistakes protects you. Ignoring them creates harm. This is why education matters more than excitement. Before thinking about results, the first goal should always be safety. Only then can the body respond in a healthy and controlled way. A safer approach begins with respect for the body. This method is not meant to be aggressive. It is meant to be gentle and occasional. Many natural health practitioners suggest that internal cleansing methods should be spaced out, not repeated frequently. The body needs time to restore minerals and calm the digestive system. Rushing the process only creates stress. Slow changes bring lasting results. That was a key message in Dr. Sebi's teachings. For many people, external use is the best starting point. A castor oil pack placed on the abdomen may support lymph movement and circulation without entering the digestive tract. This approach is often better for seniors and sensitive individuals. Internal use, when discussed, should always be conservative and mindful. It should never be done daily. It should never be combined with poor eating habits. Hydration is critical. Water supports elimination and protects the kidneys. Without enough water, even mild cleansing can feel harsh. People often ask what results to expect. The first changes are usually related to digestion. Easier bowel movements. Less bloating. a lighter feeling in the abdomen. Some notice reduced swelling in joints or ankles. Others report clearer skin or improved energy. These effects are not instant. They develop gradually. Everyone responds differently. There is no fixed timeline. The body heals at its own pace. It is equally important to understand what this method cannot do. It does not replace medical treatment. It does not cure serious disease on its own. It does not work if the diet remains acidic and processed. Dr. Sebi always emphasized that healing requires an alkaline lifestyle, not a single action. Clean foods, natural hydration, proper rest, mental calm. These factors matter more than any one remedy. Supporting the body means reducing what harms it. Processed sugar, refined oils, excess salt, chemical additives. These all increase internal acidity. No cleansing method can overcome constant damage. True healing begins when the daily environment improves. The body is intelligent. When conditions are right, it begins to repair itself naturally. The most powerful takeaway is responsibility. Natural remedies demand awareness and patience. They are tools, not magic solutions. Listening to the body is essential. If discomfort increases, stopping is wisdom, not failure. Dr. Sebi believed that knowledge protects health better than fear. When people understand what they are doing and why, they make better choices. If this information helped you see cleansing in a new way, stay connected. Learn. Ask questions. Share responsibly. The goal is not quick fixes. The goal is a healthier, balanced body that can support you for years to come.